Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is Yoga for Peace. Let's begin. Sit down nice and tall in Adha Padmasana, half lotus pose. Today we are going to start with Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, alternate nostril breathing. Okay, so let's place your left hand palms up about your belly and underneath your belly. And today I'm going to use my right hand. So index finger and middle finger bend over to the palm. And then we are going to use thumb and ring finger and small fingers and use pinky use as support for ring finger. Okay. So if you don't have to make perfect form. Okay. So shield your right nostril with your thumb. Breathing in through the left nostril and shield your left nostril with your ring finger. Exhale from your right nostril. Then inhale from your right nostril. Shield with your shield with your thumb. And exhale through the left nostril. Inhale from the left. And exhale through the right. Keep breathing in nice, long, deep breathing. Release any unnecessary tension, just breathe. Long, smooth, deep breath. Now, release your hands. And good. Okay, now open your knees about your mat distance, a little bit wider. And place your hands, the tip of your finger facing toward yourself this way. And if this is a little bit too difficult for you, you can just place your arms like this or to the side. Okay, so place the tip of your finger toward yourself, leg open about your mat distance, and sternum lifting up and here, shoulder blades together and look towards ceiling. And just breathe here. Widen your collarbone, chest open, expanded. And about 5 breaths. Now come out. Okay, now arm stretch, interlace your finger except your index finger and concave your chest, roll your back. The 5 deep breaths here. Reach your fingertips forward, roll your back, and release. Okay, now come up to your knees. Either live toes or straighten your toes, either way. And open your leg about your hip distance. And then we are going to do a little bit looks like modified Gardanasana. Okay, hook your elbow, one elbow on top of the other, and palm touch together, and lift up your elbows, and open up shoulder blades, and bow to your arms. Inhale to lift up your elbow a little higher, and exhale to release. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, expand. Exhale, relax, soften. Now release. Now switch your arms, opposite arm on top of the other, palm facing each other. Inhale, lift up your elbows, and exhale, bow to your arms. 5 deep breaths. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. And exhale. Keep breathing. Exhale. And if you notice any tension around your shoulders, use your exhale to release. Now, slowly release your arms. Okay, now keep your one knee down. And from here, palms down. And the looks like modified looking side extended angle. Okay, from here, extend your arms. Bottom knee down. Heel to tip of your fingers, one straight line. 5 deep breaths. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now release. Now let's simply switch your side. One palms down. As I extend your arm, shoulder blades together, expand your chest, revolve. And breathe, inhale, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, inhale, exhale. And full expression of your pose. And release back to center. Okay, now open your knee wide and bend your knees about 90-degree angle, and let's take frog pose, Bandukasana. Inhale and relax your hips. Relax your hip flexor and all those joints. Relax the back of your neck. Inhale, lengthen your spine and cervical vertebra. And exhale to release any muscular tension no longer serves you. Just stay there. Just walk on breathe pranayama. And you may notice your body getting heavier and heavier, getting closer to the ground. Shoulders away from ears, keep space. And release your hips. Your hips sinking down deeper and deeper. And slowly palms down. Bring your knee together. Okay, now let's take like beginning of the exercise sequence. Let's take Adha Padmasana, half lotus pose, and palms together, heart center. And soften your shoulders and chest. And soften your gaze, drishti. This sequence is designed to promote the idea of peace. Peace of mind, peace of body, peace of soul, and peace of the world. You can practice it as often as you need. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!